First time, so it's alright, everyone is living, yeah? 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 That's one thing you don't want to do. If you need some good information, what do you do?
You come to the airshow.
So we came for this one. My mentee is so obsessed. Session. Hey, get that shit have the opportunity to see it today. 2020, I think we should go and check one wisdom. But don't forget to get water bottle, sunny. If you are white, your skin will burn, so sunscreen. And yeah, the food, chair, staying under the shade should be fine. Option A, or you know, option B. Definitely. There's a better body.
Dual engines, each one. Each one is like 2 mini ones instead of one big one.
We're going inside. Hey, we're gonna line up. We gotta check the inside, so line up.
How you feel? How's it so far?
I've bumped into like 3, 4, 5 people. That's it, sorry, but
They're swerving on you. Were they swerving on you?
look at them like.
Oh, this time I actually recorded.
Jongole, si te quites tu bareda ta kalle, Hey, dude.
How are you?
You feel like a picture of the country.
Alright, so Yasir, what's your thought? This one or going this one? We both decided.
What's up for pictures? This is an air show. Planes only.
Nah.
Commonly known as a plastic parrot, however the courtship of Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation windows and bring up the back so the trainer formation, this is called a
Asasa kilenti barana
The downfall of these places, the dust. Your car. Other than that, it's been an amazing day. Thanks to my cousin, obviously, for coming through with the ticket. Until then, peace and love.